Hey all, just wanted to make a quick video showing an issue that I'm having with VSync and how to get around the problem. So let's go ahead and look up here in my options and we see we have VSync enabled. So I'm going to close that and now I'm going to show you what's happening. Let's go ahead and hit play. And I'm going to pull up a track and you can just see just how bad this is stuttering. I think you can, hopefully this is coming across in the recording where it's almost like, yeah, it's just stuttering really badly. And if we look at my settings here, my developer settings, it has 144 as the FPS, and I believe that's half of my refresh rate of my monitor, and I think that's where the issue is coming in, is that VSync is not exactly compatible with high refresh rate monitors when it can't actually hit that rate. So it just cuts the FPS in half. That's my understanding. I may be wrong about that. Anyway, some of my testers complained that the game was taking up a lot of CPU, and this is why I wanted to have VSync. So what I can do instead is, let me go ahead and turn VSync off. And what I've done instead is I've added an option to my options menu. So right now this is just an uncapped FPS rate, and you can see that we're not really getting all that stuttering as before. I mean, there's still a little bit, but it's not too bad. Alright, so if I go to my options menu, and now I have this option, cap FPS at 60. And if I look up here, it says 60. And if I grab a track, and you can see it's not anywhere near as bad. And the refresh rate is actually lower, or the FPS rate is actually lower than what it was before, and yet it looks a lot better. So let me go ahead and show you the code to that, and that's just simply this. I just pass in a boolean, should it be enabled or not. If it's enabled, engine.maxFPS equals 60 or uncapped. And if you're doing this in GD script, it should be something very similar, like engine dot, and I think it's lowercase max underscore all lowercase FPS, if I'm not mistaken. So anyway, if you like this video, hit like, subscribe if you want to do that, and if you want to try out my game, there's a demo of it up on Steam, and if it seems like your kind of game, please wishlist it. Anyway, hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks, and goodbye.